Good morning, all of you.
Good morning, ma'am.
Good
morning, ma'am.
morning. Good morning. Okay. So today we will do some grammar exercises. 2 days break you got?
Okay, ma'am. Okay.
Okay, ma'am. कौन है ये? You enjoyed your break? 2 days break?
Yeah, ma'am.
Yeah, ma'am.
या ये तो लग रहा है किसी का छोटा भाई वाई बोल रहा है. 9th क्लास के स्टूडेंट की
I
आवाज.
think someone is disturbing the class.
Yes, someone is disturbing the class.
No, ma'am. No one is disturbing the class.
Someone. All the participants join. अभी तो 15 ही है. Attendance has declined a lot after half yearly. 50 के ऊपर ही रहते थे ये तो. अभी तो. So your final examinations will be offline examination. So be well prepared for that. Okay. Regarding the syllabus, 1 or 2 chapters is left. Beggar is the last chapter in that. We are halfway. So within 1 week, syllabus will be completed. Then we will carry on revision and quiz and grammar. Revision, quiz and grammar. Okay. So this is a editing. This paragraph is for editing. Editing, you know? Hello? You know the meaning of editing? Editing,
Yes, ma'am.
correcting mistakes. Editing means correcting mistakes. So in every line there is one mistake and you have to correct it. Every line there is one mistake and you have to correct it. Let us wait for more participants to join. Okay. ये भाव्या mute yourself. Okay. अलग कुछ वर्ब फॉर्म्स कर ले. ये you can keep your copies open in front of you simultaneously. You can do the exercises also. Because you don't have any grammar book, you have to maintain grammar copy. Okay. See, tense is the backbone of English language and you have to be thorough in tense to have If you want to improve your language, you have to be thorough, intense. That is why again and again I keep revising the verb forms. You have to know all the verb forms, especially the verb forms whose past and participle are formed in a different tense. Of course, with most of the verbs, you add ed to form the past. Hmm? So present, past, participle. So present. What is the past and the participle of read?
Red,
Red,
red.
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 Read, read, read. See, the spelling is the same, only we pronounce it in a different way. Read, read, read. So you have to remember, no change in spelling, only the pronunciation is different. Huh? Okay. Tear. Tear means फाड़ने वाला tear. Now, this is a verb form, so naturally
Torn.
tear as a verb, not the
Toe.
Torn.
yes. Supriya, can you answer? Supriya?
Total.
Yes, tore. And what is the spelling of torn? Supriya?
T1.
Oh, who is answering? This small boy is answering. Very intelligent boy. Okay. Torn. Okay. Then tear, bite. It is the past and participle of bite. Wait, I'll point out, then you answer. Advit,
Yes, ma'am.
what is the past and the participle of bite?
Mm, bit.
Yes. And the participle?
Bitten.
Yes, bitten. Bite, bit, bitten. Then hide. Who will answer? Wait, I'll point out. Some students, they don't answer at all. Anshu Raj 9G. Anshu Raj 9G, can you hear me? Anshu Raj. Anshu Raj 9, class 9G. Pragya. Okay, Shreyasi, you answer. Shreyasi.
Hidden.
Yes. Hide,
Hid.
hid, and third form is hidden. You can keep your copies in front and you can write it also, so that you can revise it during exam. Hide, hid, hidden. Okay. Choose. Oh, wait. Okay, Pragya, you also had raised your hand. Pragya, answer. Pragya?
Choose, chosen.
Choose, chose. Chose and chosen. So you have to remember this, that you have to omit one O. हाँ, एक ओ जो है पास्ट में हट जाता है और पार्टिसिपल you remove one O and also add N. So choose, chose, chosen. What is the past and the participle of cost?
Can I?
Okay.
Cost.
Okay, Aditya answer. Cost, cost, cost. Yes, Aditya, your answer is correct. All the three forms are same for cost. For cost, all the three forms are same. Cost, cost, cost. As we know, there for some words, uh, all the three forms are same, like we did a few days ago. Spread का भी हमने बनाया था, तो spread. Hurt. Harshraj, 9B. Harshraj, can you hear me?
Ma'am, hurt.
Okay, Nishu has answered, I think.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, now I'm able to recognize the voices. Some of you who answer regularly. So, hurt. Yes. Okay. Then, yeah, grow.
Okay.
Grew, grown.
Grew, grown.
Yes, grow, grew, grown.
Grown.
Grow, grew,
Grown.
grown. Yes. Grow, grew, grown. Understand.
Understood.
Yes.
Understood.
Third form.
Understood.
Yes. Third.
Understood. Ma'am, understood.
Yes. Understand, understood, understood. Third form is also understood only. Then hit. Hit.
Hit.
Yes.
Hit.
Again, hit, all the three forms are same. You have to remember some words have all the three forms same, like hit, cut, put, spread, cost. Hit, cut, put, spread, cost. और भी है दो चार. So for that all the three forms are same. Okay, now we'll move on to this exercise. Okay, in this you have to correct the mistakes. Editing means correcting mistakes. We're going. I'll point out, then you answer. So theater first develop. Who will answer? Aman, class 9B. Aman, class 9B. Aman Prasad Chaudhary. Class 9B. Aman. Okay. Aman, answer. Supriya
May I?
and Supriya and Stacy have already answered. I want someone who hasn't answered today. Dheeraj
Ma'am,
Kumar.
Pragya, may I?
Wait, let me ask some other students. Some students, they just sit dormant, no activity.
Ma'am, I am Nirbhay.
Huh? Priyanshu, chalo Priyanshu, very good. Priyanshu,
Ma'am, Nirbhay.
Nirbhay. Acha, Nirbhay, chalo tum answer. Today you haven't answered. So theater first develop in Greece. What is the correct answer, Nirbhay?
Developed.
Yes, this is the mistake. Developed. So if you are not getting the answer, you read the paragraph as a whole. Theater first developed in Greece as a part of religious observation. शायद एक वर्ड यहाँ मिस हुआ है, was होना चाहिए मेरे. The stage was simply a circle of turf on who wait, who'll answer?
May I?
Advait. Okay, Advait, answer.
Ma'am, which instead of who?
Yes, instead of who, you have to use which. Why? Because who is used for living things. Who is a reflexive pronoun used for living thing, living beings. यहाँ जो है स्टेज के लिए जो है हम which यूज करेंगे. ओके, वेरी गुड. The stage was simply a circle of turf on which the worshippers danced around an altar of Dionysus. After a altar. Okay. The spot was usually at the foot of a hill so that the spectators on the slopes would watch the dance. What is the mistake in this sentence? What is the mistake in this sentence?
Ma'am, the instead of these.
हाँ नहीं द नहीं वो तो हो गया. नेक्स्ट जो हमारा ये है इसमें क्या गलती है? ऑन द स्लोप्स वुड वॉच द डांस. ये वुड वॉच द डांस. व्हाट इज द मिस्टेक इन दिस सेंटेंस?
Ma'am, could.
यस कुड.
Ma'am, could instead of would.
Yes, could instead of would. कि वो देख. This is the mistake. So could watch the dance. This started the tradition of Greek theaters, semicircles of seats built into a hillside. This started. What is the mistake in the last line? Last line में कौन सा word गलत है? Last line, which word is? Anuj Sharan, you want to answer? Anuj Sharan, Aditya Raj,
I can't see anything.
you can't hear me. Why? Am I
But I
audible?
can't see anything right now.
Okay. So, what is the mistake? Who will answer?
Ma'am, may I answer?
Okay, Advit. Okay, answer
Yes,
Advit.
ma'am.
क्या गलत है? Last.
Ma'am, build.
हाँ,
Ma'am, build instead of built. Ma'am, built.
past tense. What is the past of build? Build का past क्या
Built.
होता? Built. Built. Build का past और past participle जो है वो t लगा के हम बनाते हैं. हाँ, built, and third form is also built. There are many words for which the second and third form is same. Many words for which second and third form are same. Many verbs for which all the three forms are same, and many for which all the three are different. Okay. So this also is a editing exercise. Short one. A saint walked. एक तो बनाया ही हुआ है. A saint walked the streets of Kolkata. It can happen.
Only in the in
Pragya.
instead we use in, ma'am.
Okay.
Instead of at.
Okay. At is the mistake. It can happen only in India because we already learned preposition में हमने क्या सीखा था कि बड़े जगह के लिए in और छोटे जगह के लिए at. Sorry, छोटे जगह के लिए at. Like if you have a sentence, she lived at Boring Road in Patna. Why? Because Patna is bigger place compared to Boring Road. So for smaller places you use at, and for bigger places you use in. हाँ, बड़े जगहों के लिए in और छोटे जगहों के लिए. तो यहाँ India जो है, it is a big place. So you'll use in. Okay. It can happen only in India. It is time that us realized our Divya. Divya, can you answer?
Ma'am, I can't see anything.
Ma'am, instead of us we use we. We realize the question.
Participants raised hand.
Ma'am, realized error है और realize correction. Ma'am, correct है.
नहीं, realize नहीं है error. Realize
Ma'am,
error.
Us is the error and we is the correction.
Yes,
Yeah, ma'am,
us
we-
is the error. It is time that us realized. Us is the mistake and we We realized our strength. We are greater people.
Ma'am,
Ma'am,
instead
great.
of greater. Ma'am, great.
Greater जो
Ma'am,
है,
great.
Ma'am, great.
instead of greater you'll use great.
Great.
We are great people. We have so much religious leaders.
We have so many.
Okay, yes. So much is the mistake, and the correct word is many. Why? Why? Because much is used for uncountable. Much used for
Yes, ma'am.
much is used for uncountables. यहाँ leaders तो countable है ना, हम leaders को गिन सकते हैं. Determiners में हमने पढ़ा था much and less. Much and less both are used for uncountables, and few, many. कोई चीज कम है तो few or many used for countables. Okay. Okay, again, third passage. Same thing. Spending time in your kids. Wait, I'll point out, then you answer. Akash Kumar.
Good morning, ma'am.
Yes, good morning. Akash, can you answer this? ये एक पहला लाइन में कौन सा गलती है? Spending time in your kids bring immediate as well as long term gain for parents. Spending time with your kids. Oh, sorry. In your kids.
Ma'am, you have told.
Okay, only those who are very what you call attentive, they must have only heard. So answer. Akash, can you answer? Akash. Akash, can you hear me? 9B, roll number 41. How is it that students don't hear me? I don't understand. Or you join the class and go away somewhere. If you are not taking your studies seriously, if you are not attending online classes,
Ma'am, may
then
I answer?
you are at a loss.
Ma'am, may I? Ma'am, may I?
Pragya, Shreyasi, I want others to answer. कुछ लोग एकदम this keep sitting passive without answering anything. Why is that? Okay, Pragya, you answer.
Ma'am, with instead of in.
Yes, instead of in, you have with. Spending time with your kids. These are just common mistakes. Bring immediate.
Ma'am, can I?
Okay, Shreyasi.
Ma'am, brings instead of bring.
Yes, very good. Brings. Spending time brings. Because here, what is our subject? Our subject is spending time as well as long-term gain for the parents. इसमें तो कोई गलती नहीं लग रहा.
Ma'am, to instead of for.
Long-term gain for the parents, to the parents.
Ma'am, parents instead of ma'am parents की जगह to होगा.
Parents तो होगा, parents because here we refer to many parents. ऐसा नहीं है कि ये
Ma'am?
एक, हाँ, ये two ही होगा.
Ma'am, gains. Ma'am, gains instead of gain.
No, long-term gain, long-term gains for parents. Long-term gains, long-term gain for parents. bring immediate as well as long term gains. वही आप for जो है वो suitable ऐसा नहीं है कि to hit for also can be, so gains gains for parents. According to a research, children of a involved parent. What is the mistake in this? Children of
Ma'am.
a involved parent.
Ma'am, and instead of A.
Yes, very good. And
Ma'am,
instead
and.
of A. And. क्योंकि यहाँ ये है ना involved vowel sound of an involved. Okay, A is the mistake and an involved parent. According to a research, children of an involved parent were most
Ma'am,
involved
ma'am, parents. Ma'am, parents instead of parent.
Yes, Shreya.
ma'am, parent.
पेरेंट्स, क्योंकि यहाँ वर है ना, तो वर है तो हम लोग को प्लूरल सब्जेक्ट होना चाहिए. नहीं पेरेंट्स, हाँ पेरेंट. वर इज फॉर चिल्ड्रन, वर इज यूज फॉर चिल्ड्रन, बट because it refers to all the parents.
Ma'am, was.
Children of an involved, लेकिन children of an involved parent, लेकिन an है.
Ma'am, children. Yes, ma'am. Children.
हाँ
So where-
देखो, नहीं children
Was
children of
instead
an
of
involved parent. ये an आ गया ना, तो an आ गया तो parents कैसे यूज करेंगे? नहीं, this is not the mistake. Wait, children of an involved parent were more.
Ma'am, I think are instead of were.
Ma'am, involve होगा.
नहीं involve तो नहीं होगा. Involved parent.
Ma'am,
This
are instead
yes,
of were.
Instead of were you'll have are, because it is a fact which is truth
Ma'am.
for, because it is
Yes,
a
ma'am.
fact which is true for all times. ऐसा नहीं कि आज है और are more efficient. Yes, correct. Yes. Children of an involved parent are more efficient. Yes, children of an involved parent are more efficient and get in better with their peers. What is the mistake in the last line? Who will answer? Shreyasi has raised the hand, but you have answered many questions. I want some other student. Anuj? Avinash, Anuj, Aman, answer karo. Pragya also has answered many questions. I want those who haven't answered. All of you have to make attempt. It's not something so difficult that you cannot. You have to try. Again and again, the same students are answering. Okay, Aditya Raj, you answer and get in better with their peers. What is the mistake? Aditya Raj, can you hear me?
Yes, ma'am.
क्या है ये इसमें गलत? Get in better with their peers. इनके जगह क्या होना चाहिए? Get in better. Okay, Pragya, you answer.
Ma'am, on instead of in.
Get on, yes. या get along भी हो सकता है. On या along. Get along भी एक ये phrasal verb है. Get along. Okay. Akash, can you hear me? Akash?
Yes, ma'am.
आंसर करो, इसमें क्या होगा ये मिस्टेक? He has tore my book. What is the mistake in this?
मैम
अभी हमने 3 फॉर्म बनाया, तो टोर का थर्ड फॉर्म क्या होता है? हैज के साथ हम कौन सा फॉर्म यूज करेंगे?
Torn.
V3.
V3
Torn.
Yes, just now we studied the 3 form of the verbs. So tear, tore, torn. Huh? Tear, tore, torn. And with has you have to use torn. ये थर्ड फॉर्म torn है, और has के साथ जो है थर्ड फॉर्म ही यूज होगा. हाँ? दीपेंद्र पार्टिसिपेंट्स में दिख रहा. दीपेंद्र, कैन यू आंसर दिस क्वेश्चन? व्हाट इज द मिस्टेक इन दिस सेंटेंस? वुमेन लव्स ज्वेलरी. व्हाट इज द मिस्टेक? दीपेंद्र, some students don't respond at all. Ananya,
Women love jewelry.
yes, love. Why? Because this is a plural subject. Plural subject में verb में s नहीं लगता है. If you have a plural subject, then no s in the verb. And woman is plural. It is the plural of woman. बहुत सारे ऐसे वर्ड्स भी होते हैं, you must have studied in your junior classes, which make the plural